Today, the Supreme Court is set to hear arguments over whether a Tennessee law banning gender-altering care for minors is unconstitutional. Jaxie Pigeon explains why this Tennessee case has the entire country's attention.
Well, Nikki, this all started back in 2023 when a Tennessee law went into effect, making it illegal to provide medical care such as puberty blockers, hormone therapies, and surgeries to transgender people under 18 years old. The question for the High Court is if the state law violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, which requires the government to treat people in similar circumstances the same. There are currently at least 25 states that have adopted laws limiting or banning such care for minors, most of which are facing lawsuits. I spoke to state lawmakers on both sides, each of them claiming their end goal is to protect kids from harm, but in very different ways.
You can't get a tattoo in the state of Tennessee unless you're 18. You can't join the military. You can't drink. You can't smoke. So why in the world would we let a minor child make a decision to have irreversible surgery performed on their bodies, removing body parts, or taking very harmful prescription medications that have irreversible effects?
We're really seeing a reversion back to regression to old systems and thinking and reinforcement structures about gender and sex. And so, at its core, this case is about transgender rights, but it's really about reasserting traditional gender roles and limiting the freedom of those individuals as they see fit to express themselves.
Oral arguments are slated to begin at 9 o'clock this morning in Washington, D.C. The justice's decision is expected to take several months. Nikki.